Usually paying off your car, you guys, you're going to see a drop. Like you're going to see a temporary drop in your credit score because now you have a debt that's no longer reported to credit bureaus. You're going to see a temporary drop. Anytime you close any account, you're going to see that your credit score is going to temporarily drop. But now that you have paid off debt, your credit score is going to go back up over time because now you have debt that's paid off. Like that's just the sad part about it. If you guys are looking to pay off your car, wait, especially if you're looking to get more credit cards, if you're looking to get like a mortgage, you want to just keep that temporary. Like if you're just keep a few payments on it before you do that, because I'm telling you, as soon as you pay it off, your credit score is going to drop, and it's not a good drop, you guys. It's not going to be a good drop because now you got to wait to apply for more credit cards. You want your credit score to go up, so just wait, or just go ahead and apply for whatever you want to apply for, pay your car off, and then just enjoy your dip. Usually I tell people to wait about 3 to 6 months for your credit score to go up, and that's if you just not applying for more credit cards. You already got your utilization low, you paying everything on time, you coasting like with your credit. You're not trying to do anything to get like a quick increase. You already got your credit score over 750. You're not trying to rush to get your credit score up. I used to tell people wait like 3 to 6 months. You're going to start seeing your credit score going in upward direction. But yeah, I know that's bad. Paying off your car, you would think, oh, my credit score is going to be sweet. Not at first. Not at first.